Hi everyone and Assalamualaikum. Maha here with another easy breezy recipe. Today is the third day of our pizza special series and I am making cheesy pizza pasta. There's something about this dish that keeps you coming for more. This pizza pasta is major people pleaser. Pizza pasta people pleaser. Ah, that could be a good tongue twister. Let me know if you can say it. Before I start on with my recipe, I'll tell you some more about the pizza special series. I'm planning to post every day this week till Friday. I have already posted pizza flavor loaded fries and pizza quesadillas. Today I'm bringing cheesy pizza pasta. This series is especially for all the mums and bubs who love pizzas and can eat it every day. So subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the updates. I remember the first time I made this pasta, I was 15 or 16 years old and my mommy, my aunt, was there. Till this day, she remembers how mouth-watering it was. She's been asking her daughter and my sister to make some for her, but they weren't able to satisfy her craving. She did told me that they have tried her best, but the flavor wasn't there. Her exact words were, "वो मज़ा नहीं आया यार जो तुम्हारी मैक्रोनी में आया था." Anyways, so this one is for you, mommy. So here are all the things that you will need to make cheesy pizza pasta. And obviously cheese, which is missing here. You'll need 500-gram mince. You can take any mince you like. I usually prefer beef mince for pasta, but this one is turkey mince, which I used for the first time and it turned out really well. 500-gram vegetable mix. I believe you can hide any veggie in between pizza sauce and cheese. These are green beans, peas, carrots, corn and potato. You can use any other veggie you like. 1 pack of 500-gram macaroni or any pasta will do. 4 packs or half a cup of pizza sauce. These packs are 2 tablespoons each and I ended up adding 4 to 5 of them to get that special pizza taste. I am lazy and I love using store-bought pizza sauce, but I do have an awesome recipe for it. If you want me to make it for you guys, comment down below and let me know. I'll make it for you. For herbs and spices, we will need salt and pepper and cayenne pepper, some oregano and garlic powder. I am using a mix over here. You can only use oregano if you want. And we will also need 1 tablespoon heaped of ginger and garlic paste. And last but not least, we will need 1 cup of shredded mozzarella and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. The first thing you'll do is cook your macaroni or whatever pasta you are using and add 1 teaspoon salt while boiling it. Meanwhile, the pasta is boiling, we will cook our mince sauce. Heat half a cup of oil in a pan and add ginger garlic paste in it. Saute it for a few minutes and then add mince. Break the mince down with your spoon and cook till it changes its color. Then add spices. I used 2 teaspoons of oregano and garlic mix, 2 teaspoons cayenne pepper and 1 teaspoon salt. We like it really spicy, but you can adjust them according to your taste. Mix them thoroughly and cook it for 5 minutes or until the water evaporates. Add your veggies. As I'm using frozen veggies, I didn't defrost them. You can defrost them to make things go quicker. I added them straight to the pan. Mix them thoroughly and cook them covered until done. When veggies are cooked, add half of the pizza sauce and give it a good mix. Now this is the important step which really gives flavor to your pasta. I learned it from MasterChef and I have been doing it since. You'll take 2 cups of water from your boiling pasta and add it to your mince mixture. Believe me, it gives really good taste and helps making the mixture more saucy. Mix it well and adjust your spices. We like it really spicy, so I added some more pepper and mixed it. Cook until it starts boiling and then turn off the flame. When the macaroni is cooked, sieve the water and put it in a big enough pan so you can easily mix both the things. Add the mince and veggie sauce to the macaroni and mix it well. Now add remaining of your pizza sauce and a teaspoon of oregano and give it a good mix. Pour it out in a microwave-safe dish and sprinkle all the mozzarella and all the cheddar cheese on it. Microwave it for 6 to 8 minutes or until all the cheese melts. Really depends on your microwave. Look at all the cheesy yumminess. My family absolutely loves this one and I think I do make it twice a month. My 7-year-old absolutely hates peas and corns and she still hasn't figured out that she has been eating them in this pasta. So let me know which veggies are you gonna hide in your cheesy pizza pasta. Do give it a try and share your creations at mahas.shack on Instagram. I usually post 2 recipes in a week on Monday and Friday, but as it's a pizza special, I'm posting one every day this week. So keep checking in. Comment below and tell me, are you liking my pizza special series as much as I am enjoying posting it? Bye for now.
Thanks for watching.